Barry with Compass, and I'm in my kitchen talking about some ways that you can inexpensively and naturally disinfect your home. We're all trying to think about ways to be extra clean right now, and everyone's also watching their wallet and their budget. So a lot of these things can be done with simple household products that you already have, and that will save you a lot of money. It's also kind of tough to find certain cleaning products right now, so we can take things into our own hands and do what we can do from home. So the first thing I want to talk about is my hand sanitizer recipe. I read a bunch of recipes online and I came up with my own because we just could not find hand sanitizer anywhere. We usually use our favorite Dr. Bronner's. It's an all-natural hand sanitizer, and it just has essential oils and rubbing alcohol, basically. I think maybe a little bit of witch hazel, but we couldn't find it anywhere. So we're currently repurposing this sprayer with our own sanitizer that we made. So this is a super simple recipe. I'm gonna post it on modernlivingwithkat.com. All you need is rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, aloe vera, distilled or filtered water, and essential oils if you want to make it smell nice. I really like lemongrass in cleaners. I think it smells really fresh and clean, and so I loaded this up with essential lemongrass oils. So after I made it in this big jar, we used a funnel to transfer it to some repurposed smaller containers. This was a face spray, and now we use it to spray down packages and things when they come in the house or anything that just needs a quick spritz. I highly recommend having hand sanitizer or just sanitizer in a spritzer. It's really convenient. We also put it in this repurposed container, and we use a Marley Monsters unpaper towel. These are awesome, by the way. I highly recommend. They're available on zerowastestore.com. We put these on here and then just wipe things down with our reusable towel, and then you can wash this, and having it in the smaller container is really helpful. You can really reuse a lot of containers that things you buy at the grocery store come in, and we reuse all kinds of stuff that we get from the store for little to-go containers. So again, I mentioned that we've been reusing this. So another thing I want to mention is just vinegar. Household vinegar can be used to disinfect all kinds of things. It's nature's disinfectant pretty much. So my fancy Gold Coast esthetician told me a year ago that I should alternate my expensive face toner with apple cider vinegar, and she even said that I could use grapeseed oil and coconut oil on my skin. So basically you have like a salad on your face, but it's really awesome for your skin. It's very inexpensive. You already have it, and it really is nice to break up with the expensive products to alternate. So lately, since I can't get my nice toner, I've been using this all the time. Again, I put it in a repurposed container. I have my Marley Monsters facial rounds, reusable, and I just put it on here and put it on my face, and it's awesome. You can make all kinds of household cleaners out of different types of vinegar and citrus peels, essential oils, and a lot of these recipes are in Ashley Piper's book called Give a Shit, which has literally any type of household cleaner that you can think of that you can make yourself from products that you already probably have in your house. I highly recommend this book. There's an entire section on green cleaning, and again, this will also help your budget. So check it out. You can buy it on Amazon, and I will also put this on modernlivingwithkat.com. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody stay healthy and happy cleaning.